today we are going to be looking into set also, because there are some other aspects of set that we need to cover, so that when you see any question relating to set, you'll be able to solve it. So we're going to get started right away. You know what to do if you are hearing noise around you, so don't let that noise come into this video any longer, any of it. So the moment you hear noise around you, know what to do. You mute yourself. Then, if I have to be telling you, then it doesn't speak up. So then, when I need you to talk, you are going to simply ensure there's no noise. Then you unmute yourself and talk. So what I want to talk about now is complement of a set. Complement of a set. We have spoken a lot about all of them, and that was in the first note I gave you. If you were able to go through the notes, you would know what that means by now, but I'm going to go over it. So, complement of a set. Okay, let's get an example. Let's assume you have a set of numbers. Set of numbers 1 to 20. Let's say set A. Set A is given to be equal to 1 to 20, while set B is all factors of 30, and set C let's say multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, while the universal set, okay, the universal set is 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Your job is to identify all these elements. So the elements in set A will be 1 all the way to 20, 3, 4, and so on till you reach 20. While the elements in set B will be all factors of 30, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30 itself. So these are all factors of 30. And set C will be multiples of 3, which are the multiples of 3 that you can see in the universal. So let's go there. That will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. And don't forget that the universal is 50. So definitely we can go to 51 and we end it there. So with this, you can be given to say, find, they didn't ask you to find all of this, but you are the one to know that you are going to find them out if you have been given their definition. Definition of set A says 1 to 20, then you have written 1 to 20. Definition of set B says all factors of 30, you have written all the factors. And definition of set C says multiples of 3, then you have written all the multiples of 3 that are within the universal. So let's now go to the likely question that will be given. The likely question could be find A and say you should find A intersection B intersection C. And you can say you should find only A intersection B. You can say you should find A intersection C. Then you can say you should find A only. You can say you should find B only. You can say you should find that is A only, B only. You can say you should find C only. This how many elements are in C only. Then you can say you should find G. So you should find A intersection B only. They can say you find A intersection C only. Just from this, HI, then I can say you find B intersection C. Can say you find B intersection C only. Okay. And so you find A union B. That's A union B. Then L. And so you find A union C. Then M. And so you find A union B union C. Then say you find B union C. B union C. That's M N O. You can say you find A complement. And say you find as O P now. Say you find B complement. They can also ask you to find the Q, option Q now. You can also find C complement.
5 kilometers.
Okay, so but just write the ones you can see. When is the time for writing the solution? You are going to see it, but just be listening. I believe even if you are not seeing, you are hearing. So down what you are able to hear. Now you can say you find B complement, say you find C complement, PQR. And say you find A union B complement. Say you find there are lots of questions that can come just under this. And the question is now how do you go about all of this? Let me try to see. Sorry again. Now I want to try to save that somewhere so that I can refer to it and clear the board now. Can't keep referring to it after clearing the board. Now, from what we have set A, B, and set C, and we have load of questions to find from all of this. So I want you to concentrate. I want you to listen, to concentrate and follow. Because when you see this, let's assume this is going to be your coming exam for first time. So how do you do it? Just focus. So I'm clearing the screen now. This is the solution. So Saeed, unmute yourself. Ezekiel, unmute yourself and tell me whether you understand what I've said. Yes, I'm waiting.
I can't hear you clearly.
I said I have not said anything that you cannot understand. I'm trying to let you know that these are the questions that you can be asked from this. Is that taken? Ezekiel, is that taken?
Yes, sir.
That is Saeed. So Ezekiel, is that taken? I'm waiting for Ezekiel to answer. Ezekiel, join with your video. Is that taken by you? Yes, I'm waiting. There's no such time to waste. Ezekiel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, being sluggish to answer, you answer smartly, and let's move on.
Sir?
So I want to clear the screen now. Is that taken? All right. So I'm clearing the screen.
Sir?
I'm clearing
Yes,
the
sir.
screen, then we'll move on to the solution so that you can see how to solve all of this. I'm supposed to even ask you guys to solve it, but let's wait and see. Let's just solve it together. Let me tell you. Now, I want you to minimize the noise around you, even if you unmute yourself, so that you can contribute into the question. So set A should be 1 to 20. Let's represent the information on the Venn diagram. So how many circles am I drawing now? Ezekiel?
2.
Saeed, how many circles am I drawing now?
I joined 2 seconds.
Saeed, how many circles am I drawing?
2.
That's not Saeed.
It's okay.
That's Ezekiel still talking. Saeed, can you hear me? I want to move to the solution. So I want to believe you can hear me. Ezekiel, you can hear me. Saeed, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So Saeed, how many circles am I drawing? Did you watch the last lecture?
Yes, sir.
So how many circles am I supposed to draw now to draw Venn diagrams to represent this information? How many? I can't hear that. Please come again, Saeed. How many circles? Ezekiel, you said 2. I want to hear from Saeed before I move on. Yes, how many circles, Saeed? Anyway, in order not to waste our time, I'm drawing 3 circles. Why 3 circles? We have 3 sets. That is pure enough. So let's say it's the first circle, or that is very small, then I can make it bigger. The first circle, the second circle, this is the third circle. If you are perceiving noise from your side, please mute yourself. Now, from the information given, we have set A, set B, and set C. Set A, set B, and set C. Just listen and follow through, so that there will not be noise. That's why I'm muting both of you. So set A, B, and C is what we have. A is 1 to 20. B is all factors of 30, while C is multiples of 3. So let's try and see the intersected planes, whether we have any element. So let's firstly check A union A intersection B intersection C. Is there anything that is common to A, B, and C? So here now, I want to deduce A intersection B intersection C. So let's try to see if there is any element that is common to these three. Check what you have written down. Is there anything that is in A and is in B? One is in A, in B, but not in C. But 3 is present in all. So I can see 3 there. 5 is in B, not here. So maybe we can't pick 4, we can pick 5. No 6. No, the next is 15. And 30 is not present in all. So I can see only 3 and 15 that is present, because 6 is here but it's not in C. So I can see 3 and 15 that is present in the 3 sets, 3 and 15. So with that, I would say we have 3, 15 that is present in. So I can put 3 here and 15 because they are both present in the 3 circles, 3 sets. So let us check for A intersection B now. What is present in A and B? What is present in A and is also in B? A is 1 to 20, B is this. So all the factors of 30 that fall between 1 to 20 so that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. So they are all in A. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. So that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 15. 10. So I want to list them into this place, but I've seen 3 and 15. So it remains only 1, 2, 5, 6, and 10. So I have 1, 2, 5, 6, and 10. The comma, so that's 1. 1, 2, 5, 6, and 10. 3 and 15 have been totaled for it. So the next thing is to check B intersection C. See if there's anything common to them, B and C. Is there anything that is in B and is also in C? Don't forget, C are multiples of 3. So you are going to check all multiples of 3 that are also factors of 30. So I can see 3, I can see 15, then I can see 30, because 30 is also a factor of 30. So 3, 15, and 30, they are multiples of 3, and they are also factors of okay, I can see 6 also. So 3, 6, 15, and 30. 3, 6, 15, and 30 are factors of 30, and they are also multiples of 3. So here, 3, 6, 15, and 30. I have 3, 6, 15, and 30. But you will observe that we've already picked 3 and 15, so it remains only 6 and 30. Okay, is there 6? Yes, is there 6 in C? If there is 6 in A, B, and C, then the 6 is supposed to be down here. Then I remove it from here. So it doesn't exist. 3, 6, and 15. So 3, 6, 15, and 30. Now it remains only 30 that should fit in the set. Only 30. Now the next thing to check is A intersection C. A intersection C. To check A intersection C means check what is common to A and is also in C. So in A, I have 1 to 20. In C, I have multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3 that exist between 1 to 20? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So there I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. But you can see I've already seen 3, 6, 15, 3, 6, and 15. So 3, 6, and 15. It only remains 9, 12, and 18. Okay. So 9, 12, and 18. So now that I have fixed that, I can now go ahead and fix the remaining elements of A. So A is meant to be 1 to 20. A is meant to be 1 to 20. So what is remaining to make up A? I've seen 1, 2, 3, there's no 4. So 4. I've seen 5, 6, no 7, 8. Have I seen 9 here? 9, yes. 10, no 11. Then have I seen 12? Yes, 12 is there. Remains 13, 14. I have seen 15. Remains 16, 17. I have seen 18. So remain just 19 and 20. 19 and 20. I believe you are following that. So let me fix B. Elements of B. What are the things that are supposed to be in B? Those are factors of 30, factor of 30. And what are the factors of 30? I have 1, it's already here. 2, it's already here. 3, it's already here. 5, yes. 6 is here. 10 is here. What's the next factor of 30? 15 is here.
15.
So there's still noise around this. Still noise around this. So 15, then 30. So that means virtually I think I've already listed all the factors of 30. So nothing is going to be in this case. Let me check. How many factors were listed for 30 initially? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors. Let's now count. Have we listed 8 things in circle of B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means this place is empty. So they are already catered for that. It's going to be empty set for this B only. A only is this, B only is this. So let's go for C only now. So to find C, to fix our C, C is going to be all multiples of 3, like you said. So all multiples of 3 that exist within. So all multiples of 3, all multiples of 3 that exist within the universal. So all multiples of 3, as we mentioned, are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, then remaining 1. Hello, who is responsible for that noise, please? Whoever is responsible for that. So we stopped at 21, then the next is 24, 24, 27, then I've seen 30, now 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, and lastly 48. So those are the C only. So now let us now check. Is there anything that is in the universal that has not been catered for in the 3 circles? Those things are to be inside the rectangle, not inside any of the circles. So let's check from 1 to 50 now. I have seen 1, 2, 3. I've seen 1 to 20 So let's now go beyond 1 to 20. Isn't 21? No 22 in any of the circles. So I can see 22 outside here. No 23 to 23. I've seen 24. There's no 25. 26. I've seen 27. There's no 28. There's no 29. Of course, I've seen 30. No 31. No 32. Then 33 has been catered for. 34 is missing. 35 is missing. 36 has been catered for as a multiple of 3. 37 is missing. 38 is missing. Then now catered for. 40 is missing. 41 is missing. 42 has been catered for. 43 is missing. That's 43. Then 44. So we have 45 already. Then we need 46 here. We need 47. We have 48 already. We need 49. And of course we need 50. So, and that is where we end it. Yeah, this is the real business. Then we can start fixing our questions. What's the first question? What did the first question ask you to find? First question, the question 1 or question A there said you should find A intersection B intersection C. So I think we've catered for that one. A intersection B intersection C is 3, 15, and 6. 3, 6, and 15. So let me erase this and get that. 3, 6, and 15. 3, 6, and 15. So this one catered for our question A. So let's go to check what question B is all about. Question B says A intersection B. A intersection B has been found here. So it's already up here, A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. This is question B solved. Question A solved already in an attempt to draw our Venn diagram. So let's go for the third one. What the third one says you should find? The A intersection C. Okay, fine. So A intersection C has been found here. So A intersection C.
Sir, no, B intersection C.
Which one do you say is the next one that you're supposed to find? What do you say?
I think it's B.
You think or what? The first question says find. Hello, listen. The first question says find A intersection B intersection C. The next question says find A intersection B, and the next question, which is option C, says find A intersection C. So anything wrong with that?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is now kindly mute yourself and continue. I will soon round up the class and I will give you the job of doing the rest. Let me just explain, okay? So A intersection C is already prepared for here. C. And the next question says A only. Fine. I'm not going to list that for you, but I'm going to show you. So your A only is now, let's say question D now. And D says find A only. I mean A only. Now your A only are the elements that are present in this region. That is 1, 19, 20, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, and 20. So that's what you list in that one. So I move to the next one. The next one is B only. Yes, B only. So B only, they are the things you can find in B only that did not overlap into any, and that is empty. So this is empty. It's an empty set. Then F. F said you should find C only. Yeah, C only, like we did for A only. So C only is all the elements that are in C that do not overlap into A and B. So you are going to just remove this region and write the remaining things. So that is C only. So the next one now, the next question, G said she find A intersection B only. Yeah, look at A intersection B. This is A intersection B, but the only that did not enter into C are the elements that are here. This 1, 2, 5, and 10. So A intersection C only. So A intersection C only. That is it. Then the next one said you should find A intersection B only. So the next one says you find A intersection C only now, which is H. So that one's supposed to be A intersection B only. This is meant to be B. A intersection B only. A intersection B only. So the next one is A intersection C only. A intersection C only, which is option H. A intersection C only. So in A intersection C, I have A, I have C. A intersection C. Just going to remove this region and put the remaining 9, 12, and 18. So the next question now said you find B intersection C now. Not found that one. So the next question says find B intersection C. So B intersection C, not only this time around. So to find B intersection C, we've already found that. Okay. That is question I. B intersection C, that is what's common to B and C. Then the next question I guess should be B intersection C only, which is question J. B intersection C only. So to get B intersection C only, I'm going to go to B intersection C, which are these 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you remove 3, you write 4, and that is only 30. That is 30, that is in B intersection C only. Then to the question K. The question K, I try to round up there. Question K said A union B, then we have A union C, then we have A union B. Let me just explain those three. So look at this. A union B is everything in A and B without repeating anything. So that means you bring all of these circles and all of this. That means